Are you looking for a new home that pairs perfectly with that peaceful Florida lifestyle living? Well, heads up, you're not going to want to miss this next listing video at 13132 Jonathan Drive in Weeki Wachee, Florida. Let's get started. Hello again, I'm Krystle with Real Florida Group, and my newest listing is located in Royal Highlands, nearby the beautiful Weeki Wachee River and just minutes away from Highway 50, where you'll find lots of restaurants, shopping, and more. This 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom home was built in 2017 and is situated on a corner lot with a fenced yard and almost a half acre. And before we head inside, don't forget to click on the link below to access our 3D virtual tour from your device at any time convenient for you. And now let's go inside and check it out. As you enter the home, you'll enjoy the spacious split floor plan with formal dining room just off the great room. Perfect for entertaining family or guests. And who doesn't love vaulted ceilings next to a sliding glass door letting in lots of natural light? This spacious galley kitchen has cabinet storage for days and is complemented with a tile backsplash. Upgrades include plantation shutters, granite countertops, stainless steel appliances, and more. Next to the kitchen, we have the laundry room that leads right into the 2-car garage. And you can access this lanai with not 1, not 2, but 3 entrances to the backyard. This backyard is massive and has plenty of room for parties on sunny Florida days. The owner's suite is complemented with lots of windows and a great walk-in closet. And the owner's bathroom features dual vanities and a walk-in tile shower. And on this side of the home, you'll find the hallway that leads to bedrooms 2 and 3 and the guest bathroom. I hope you enjoyed this tour. If you're interested in seeing this property in person, then it's time to give our team a call for your own personal tour. Thank you for joining me today, and we look forward to seeing you on our next video tour. Bye, everyone.